In Excel, we have a function called VLOOKUP, and it helps us connect our data together. In Airtable, it functions a little bit differently, and I'm going to show you a trick that's been around for a while. But on top of that, Airtable just released a new feature. This is one of their AI field agents. And this field agent is going to let us do some fuzzy matching in a way that we couldn't do before. Okay, so first let's talk about the functionality we already have. So I have a contacts table. This is a list of people. Maybe we got them at a trade show. And then I have a list of our existing accounts or companies that we're working with. And with a VLOOKUP, we'd have to match on some kind of identifier. In this case, we have this account name, which is our primary field of the accounts table. And then in our contacts, we've got that same account right here. Now, on our accounts, we want to match this website. We want to have that website come over to our contacts table. So that's our use case. Here's how we can quickly do it. So right now we have this text field, and I can simply go up here to our text field and edit my field. And then we can change this single line text into link to another record, and we're going to choose that accounts table. We'll press save. I'll confirm it, and we'll skip this step just for a second, and you can see that it automatically linked any of those accounts that we had from over here. Likewise, if I scroll over, we can see here are the contacts that then are linked on the other side. And that was created because now we essentially took that VLOOKUP type functionality, we linked it to the other table, and now this isn't just text, it is an actual linked record that we can then click and open from here. And if we want that website data over here, that's no problem. That was that other screen that we dismissed a second ago. We can add lookup fields, and here we'll choose that website. We'll toggle it on, and here we go. Now we have the website showing from that account record. Now I want to show you one other quick way to do this too. Let's say some of this data wasn't here, so I'm just going to delete those out. And let's say that I still had my account field here that was text. I could also just click and copy these values, and then I could come over to an existing linked record field, and I could just paste that data, and then boom, we've got all of our data linked as well. So that's kind of the standard functionality that we've had in Airtable. But let's say that your data didn't exactly match. And there's a lot of use cases where it might not necessarily match perfectly. So let's say in our CRM, we have a contact form and we want to put that contact form on our website. We collect some standard information, the person's name, the company name, email address, and a message. And so in the past, I've created videos on when the form submission comes in, then we want to do some logic to determine if a contact record and if an account record actually already exist in our database. And if you think about an account or company record, there's lots of little mistakes that can happen in between. So for example, my company is Automation Helpers. Sometimes on the website, the words get smushed together and it looks like Automation Helpers with no spaces. Other times it has that space in the middle. Or maybe someone refers to it as Automation Helpers LLC. Those are all different variants that someone might enter into the company name field. So sometimes what I've done is go off of a different identifier, such as the domain of the email address. But again, that's not a perfect model either because sometimes there's different domains that are being used. So wouldn't it be great if we had an option to take that contact name, just a text field that someone enters, and we do some kind of fuzzy matching against it to see if it's the same as a company we already have in our database? So that's where this new feature, this field agent, comes in. So if we're adding a new field in Airtable, you can see it under field agents at the top, and this is called Deep Match. So when we enter the information for a deep match, we're going to be able to choose the table to link this to. In this case, I have a form submissions table, and I want to link this to my existing accounts table. We still have our standard options to allow linking to multiple records, to limit this, to filter this. These are our standard linked record options. Now, for this use case, I don't really care about enabling internet search, but I did toggle this on to run automatically. Just a reminder that this is going to consume AI credits, so if you don't want it to happen automatically, you don't need to, but I find this to be pretty convenient. And then down in our custom instructions, we're just telling it to match using, and then we inserted a field. This is the company name that's actually coming in via that form submission. Now, just so you're aware, this still behaves as a normal linked record field. For example, we don't always have to use AI. I can X out a value, I can do my normal looking for the records myself and manually selecting them. So let's go ahead and try this out. I've entered some information in this contact form, and I've included a typo in automation, and we have no space in helpers. So this is going to be different than our actual company record that we have on the back end. Let's go ahead and press submit. Then I'm going to go view my data. And here we see it's generating in our form submissions. And there you go. It's now automatically selected the right account. This one was already in the system. So even though we had the typo, even though it's spelled a little bit differently, it was able to find the right one. And if we expand the record, then this will also have it in our data. It will say AI has edited this record and it's automatically identified the value. So hopefully this helps if you have a use case where you need more of that fuzzy logic to be able to actually link your records together. If you have any questions about your own Airtable setup or build, don't hesitate to reach out to our website at automationhelpers.com, where we're offering free consultations.